Welcome back to Understanding Cancer Metastasis. My name is Ken Valkenburg and I'm a post-doctoral research fellow in the Department of Urology at Johns Hopkins School of Medicine. I've been studying cancer for the past 7 years and cancer metastasis for the last 4. In this lecture, I will introduce the concepts of primary tumor growth and neoangiogenesis. At the end of this lecture, you will be able to 1. Describe uncontrolled cell division as the defining property of cancer. 2. Define what a mutation is and describe its role in primary tumor formation. 3. Define neoangiogenesis and describe its role in primary tumor formation and metastasis. And 4. Describe a primary tumor microenvironment and list several other cell types present within a tumor. This lecture really covers the first steps of the metastatic process. Without a primary tumor, there is no metastasis. Understanding the formation of a tumor and the development of brand new blood vessels that grow into a tumor helps us better understand how and why cancer cells leave where they are and travel to other parts of the body.